Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix lost access to Roblox Authenticator. So if you have lost the access to Roblox Authenticator and if you want to fix it, for that first of all what you have to do is log in to your Roblox account. Click on the search bar and type in roblox.com and press enter. Or you can also open the Roblox application if you want. You can see over here Roblox has been opened. Simply click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after that you'll be led to the login interface. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. Over here what you have to do is enter your username or email or phone. Also enter your password. Click on the field of username or email or phone and enter the username or email or phone over here. Also make sure to enter the password. Now after you've entered the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now if you have enabled the authentication, you can see over here you'll have to enter the code generated by your authenticator app. But since you've lost the access, what you have to do is click on this option, use another verification method. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find two options, authenticator and backup code. So if you have the backup code, what you have to do is click on this option, backup code. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here what you have to do is enter a previously saved backup code. Simply enter the backup code over here. Simply enter the 9-digit code. Now once you enter the code, what you have to do is click on the verify option that you can see on the screen. If you have lost the access to backup code too, for that what you have to do is contact the Roblox support. Simply click on the option Roblox support and you'll be able to contact them. But if you have entered the backup code, simply click on the verify option that you can see right over here. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. Now you'll have to disable the two-factor authentication. For that what you have to do is click on the gear icon. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option settings. Now after that you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. Simply click on this option security. Now you'll be led to the security interface. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for authenticator app. So simply toggle this button off. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the pop-up over here. If you turn off two-step verification, your account will be less secure. Simply click on the option confirm. Now again you'll have to enter the code generated by your authenticator app over here, but you do not have the access for that, so simply click on this option, use another verification method. Now again you'll be able to find two options over here, authenticator and backup code. Click on this option, backup code. Now again enter the previously saved backup code over here. Once you do that, click on the option verify that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the option for authenticator app will be turned off. So like this, you'll be able to turn off the two-step verification by using the authenticator app. Now if you need extra security, you can go ahead and set up the authenticator app again. But after that, make sure not to lose the access. So that is how you fix lost access to Roblox Authenticator. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.